everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bella and today I have a different type of video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a what's new in PR video. I'm going to be unboxing some of the PR that I've gotten recently and I'm going to be doing some swatches. And yeah, so if you guys want to see the video, then go ahead and keep on watching. First things first, I got some new products from Huda Beauty, and this is the Banana Bread Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. This is actually a product that I've used over and over again, and they just sent me another one, and this is probably one of my favorite setting powders. I feel like it just makes the face look photoshopped and it just smooths out your skin in a way that no other setting powder does. And then she also sent me the Water Jelly Hydrating Primer. And I have used this before as well, and I really love how this feels. And then the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice Serum, and this is what it looks like. And I did use this once and it feels really plump on the skin, and it just feels like a really nice serum, and it has aloe vera in it, which I love. So moving on to the next PR that I received. It's from Laura Mercier, and they sent me the translucent loose setting powder, which I also love very, very much. I used this a lot on my channel a few years back, and this was like my holy grail powder at the time before this one came out. So I'm excited to go back to this one and remember why I loved it so much. I know that Makeup by Mario uses this all the time, and it just looks so photoshopped under the eyes, and it gives like a brightening effect as well, which I love. And then I also got the Laura Mercier Illuminating Pure Canvas Primer, and I'm super excited to try this. And then she also sent me the Tinted Moisturizer Oil-Free Natural Skin Perfector, and this is kind of like a tinted moisturizer with SPF 20. And I mixed this in with my foundation the other day before I went to the gym, and it just gave like a really nice coverage. Because I mixed it with my foundation, it made it a little bit more full coverage. But if you like to wear like a BB cream or a CC cream, you will love this product. And I have the shade 2C1 Blush. And then I also got a mascara from Laura Mercier, and it's the Caviar Volume Mascara. I've never tried this one, so I'm excited to try it. Every time I get a new mascara, I always look at the dofa applicator, and I feel like this one is going to be nice. And then the last thing that I got from Laura Mercier is this highlighter in the shade Indiscretion, and it looks beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that. Look at how that looks. It just looks really beautiful. It looks like a champagne type of highlight. And yeah. So next, moving on to Dose of Colors. They sent me a whole bunch of their new Stay Glossy lip glosses. As you can see, this is a lot, and I'm super excited to try them. I could actually try a few right now because I'm just wearing some lip liner. The lip liner that I'm wearing is the Laura Mercier Chestnut, and I just have that around the outside of my lips. And let's try this one right here, Flashy. It looks really beautiful. It's like a gold, shimmering gold gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that one right now so you guys can see. And when I put on gloss when I'm already wearing like a lip liner, I like to just put it on the high points. Ooh, that's pretty. It's kind of like a translucent gloss, so it just adds like a gold shimmer hint to whatever color you already have on. And as you guys can see, it's so beautiful. I absolutely love their gloss formulas. They're always my favorite. And then they also sent me a few other ones. Which one should I try? So this one is in the shade Must Have. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, so I got a bunch of glosses from Dose of Colors. And then I got a PR box from Giorgio Armani, and they sent me these lipsticks. And and the packaging is just so high quality. It looks bougie. And yeah, I love the red and black. Red and black are actually my favorite colors. And so yeah, maybe I should try one of these on. So my favorite, so they sent me the whole collection of these lipsticks, but my favorites are 106 and 502. Let's see which one I like best. Yeah, I'm gonna try this one on real quick for you guys in the shade 106. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like very light, and it's not thick at all. It's very light and creamy. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Notice how I'm only trying on nudes, but nudes are just colors that I gravitate towards. I honestly haven't worn a bright colored lipstick in what feels like forever. I just feel like I am safe and comfortable in my nude realm of lipsticks. And then I also got this Peace Lily Luxe lip gloss from Colourpop. It's really pretty clear sparkly lip gloss, which I love. It's right here. I love applying these type of lip glosses like just to the high points of the lips, so I can probably layer this. This lipstick. Feels nice. Alright, so next I got this Hocus Pocus palette Witching Hour from Colourpop, and last year they came out with a Hocus Pocus palette as well around Halloween time, and I really loved that palette. I used it so many times here on my channel, so I was excited to see what the inside of this palette looks like. It's really pretty. And I haven't used it yet, but I'm super excited to use this. So also in the Hocus Pocus collection, she came out with 3 pressed eyeshadows. It's really pretty. And then I also got these little compact palettes from Colourpop. This one is a pressed glitter palette. This one is kind of like a neutrals. This one's a really pretty pink blushy tones. And then this one is kind of like your brights and your summery palette. And then I have a lot of stuff from Colourpop, so bear with me. I'm gonna kind of go through this kind of quickly. And I have this blush called Saving the World from the Powerpuff Girls Colourpop collection. I feel like this collection, the packaging is just so cute and reminds me of my childhood so much. But this is the shade that I'm probably going to use the most, is Saving the World. It's like a really beautiful peachy pink blush, and I love that it's in the shape of a heart. Super cute. And then also from the Powerpuff Girls collection, we got a palette, which I'm super excited about. You have your pastels and your bright colors. I'm super excited to create like really colorful looks with this palette. And then Colourpop had a Lush Life collection, and this was the palette from that collection. Last palette from Colourpop is the Plush Like Me palette, and a really cute packaging. This is what it looks like on the inside. I love like the blush tones, the fall tones. This is definitely like my vibe. Buxom had a collaboration with Ash Calm. She's like one of the best celebrity makeup artists. She actually did like Megan Fox makeup for the VMAs and the Met Gala, I think. I'm pretty sure both. I know for sure she did the MTV Music Awards. But this is the palette right here. I used it on my eyes today, and I really loved how it looked. Great pigmentation and great blendability. And then the very last thing that I got from Colourpop are these Cheek Dew Serum Blushes. So when I first received these, I was kind of like, I don't know what it is because it's super watery and liquidy. But it's pretty much a blush that you apply. You're gonna have to apply it before you apply your powders for sure because of how liquidy it is. As you guys can see, it literally comes out like a lip gloss and then it blends into the skin. I might have used too much to swatch, but just to kind of show you guys how it blends in. I'm gonna rub it in. And the colors are really beautiful. I feel like I used way too much to even swatch this to show you guys, but you have to go in with a really small amount, and I feel like this will last you so long because of how much product is in here. But yeah, definitely apply it before you would apply your powders because of how liquidy it is. I feel like it would just take off whatever's underneath it unless you apply it probably in the first few steps of your makeup routine. And then next I got this Good Molecules Glycolic Exfoliating Toner, and I pretty much used up the last toner that Good Molecules sent me. I love their products. I always use their skincare products. So when they sent me this new toner, I was super excited because I feel like the other one that I had from them, it was the brightening toner. It just really evened out my skin tone so quickly. I feel like after just using it a few times, I could already notice my skin looking a lot more even. And then from Versed, which is actually a skincare brand, but they came out with, I believe, a few makeup products, but these are mood lightening glow drops, and one is a little bit deeper and one is lighter, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. They look beautiful. And I think you would apply this before you apply your makeup, like in the areas that you want to add glow. But look at how beautiful that is. And then the very last thing that I'm going to be talking about are these brushes that I got from Dose of Colors. I feel like they look like they would be really good quality. This is kind of like a large powder brush right here. And then this is more of a tapered brush, so you would apply this with your blush, or you could even apply this with your bronzer. I kind of just like pick up my brushes and then kind of look at them, and it depends on the size, and there's a lot of things that go into why I would use it for a certain step. But there's a lot of brushes that are meant for other things and I use them for other purposes, if that even makes sense. But I feel like there's no rules in makeup, so you can apply your brushes in whichever step of your makeup as you want. This one I would use for face primer or even to apply my contour because it is kind of flat, but it says setting powder, so you could use this to set under your eyes, and all the brushes are super soft. And then there is a few eye brushes. This one is really long and tapered. This one would probably be for like a transition shade in the crease. And then a flat brush for the lid, angled brush for the crease. You guys already know I love to use angled brushes like this to create that definition in my crease. And then this brush would actually be really good for like a nose contour because it's like the perfect size to really get in there just by looking at it. And then a pencil brush and a liner brush, or this could be a lip brush. So yeah, so that's gonna be it for this PR haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never ever miss out on any of my videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.